Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to explain Mastech Limited Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss year on year and quarter on quarter results, but will give more importance for year on year results. Here consolidated results amount in lakhs. So first one is revenue from operations. So previous year 386 crores, this year 516 crores. So here approximately 130 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here revenue year on year 34% increase. This is positive side. Later other income. Previous year 16 crores. This year 4 crores. Here 12 crores other income was decreased. Later expenses. First one is employee benefit expenses. Previous year 203 crores. This year 257 crores. Here approximately 54 crores was increased. We need to check this employee benefit expenses increased with employee salaries or management salaries. Later, finance cost. Previous year 2.5 crores, this year 1.7 crores. Here, interest was decreased, that means the debt is decreasing, and also they are paying very less interest, that means they have very less debt, that is positive point. Later, depreciation. Previous year 11 crores, this year 9.7 crores. We'll ignore this one. Other expenses, previous year 114 crores, this year 146 crores. Here approximately 30 crores was increased. What we understood by the revenue from operations and expenses. So revenue from operations increased from 386 crores to 516 crores. Here other income decreased. Later employee benefit expenses from 203 crores to 257 crores. Later here finance cost decreased and other expenses increased. Now check profit before tax. So previous year 70 crores, this year 106 crores. Here 36 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 50% increase. This is positive sign. Here revenue is 34%, but profit before tax is 50%. That means they decreased expenses. Later income tax. So previous year current tax, that is 70 crores paid. This year 26 crores. Here we have one more point, tax provisions. Previous year they paid 7.3 crores. This year we don't have tax provisions. So totally they paid 24 crores income tax in previous year. This year 25 crores. Now net profit, previous year 46 crores. This year 80 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 72% year on year profit after tax increase. Here we need to observe one point. Revenue increased 34%, profit before tax increased 50%. Here they decreased expenses, due to that one, here profit before tax increased. Later, here profit after tax increased 72%. Why means previous year they paid provisions of income tax, due to that one. So last year they paid high income tax. This year no provisions, due to that one they paid less income tax. So here profit after tax increased 72%. Later, paid up equity share capital. Previous year 12.2 crores, this year 12.6 crores. A little bit paid up equity share capital increase. We need to find the reason why paid up equity share capital increased. That means due to employee stock options or bonus shares or new equity. Later, earning per share basic. Previous year 16.6 rupees, this year 27.4 rupees. Here 11 rupees increase. This is positive sign. Now we'll check quarter on quarter results. First one, revenue from operations. Previous quarter 483 crores. This year 516 crores. We'll check it in percentage. A 6.8% quarter on quarter increase. Later, profit before tax. Previous quarter 97 crores. This quarter 106 crores. We'll check it in percentage. A 9% quarter on quarter increase. Later, net profit. Previous quarter 75 crores, this quarter 80 crores, here 5 crores increase, we'll check it in percentage, 6%. So what we observed based on year on year and quarter on quarter results. Mastech Limited year on year results are very good, quarter on quarter results are flat. Now we'll check few more points. Here go down. Here segment results. So here segment revenue. So first one is UK and Europe operations. Previous year 251 crores. This quarter 362 crores. Here increased. And then North America. So here previous year 66 crores. This year 79 crores. Here increased. Later Middle East. So previous year 54 crores. Here 43 crores. So here Middle East is decreased. Later others. Previous year 13 crores. Now 30 crores. This one increased. Now see segment results. Here UK and Europe operations. So previous year 51 crores. Now 97 crores. Here increased. North America, it will increase from 5 crores to 6.7 crores. Later Middle East, it was decreased from 5.7 crores to 92 lakhs. So this is negative sign. Later others increased from 1.5 crores to 11 crores. Now we'll check valuation of Mastek Limited. So first I will open BSE India website. So current price is 2,492 rupees. And here if you go to corporate actions, here in 2019 they gave 8 rupees as dividend. In 2020, 10.5 rupees as dividend. So here dividend was increasing. So in 2021, still they didn't announce any dividend. Now check price for Mastek Limited for 1 year. Before 1 year, price of Mastek is 423. Current price is 2,500. So here price was increased from 400 to 2,500 means 2,100 rupees was increased. We'll check the results for last 1 year. In September quarter, they got 140% profits. In December quarter, 170% profits. In March quarter, 94% profits. In last 1 year, they got very good results. Due to these good results, here price also increased from 420 rupees to 2,500. Now check valuation ratios. Here ROC is 31.2%. This is very good figure. ROE is 25.4%. Price to sales is 3.67. So these are good figures. So debt to equity is 0.28. Debt is decreasing. This is positive sign. Here promoted holding is 44%. Here this is less. So this is one negative point. Now we'll check PE with 3 years median PE and 5 years median PE. So PE before results is 29.3. PE after result 26. So Mastek got very good results. Due to that one, here PE was reduced 3 points. Now I'll check with 3 years median PE and 5 years median PE. Here 3 years median PE is 11.97. 5 years median PE is 15.5. But current PE is 26. So if we compare with 3 years median PE and 5 years median PE, current PE is very high. That means currently Mastek Limited is overvalued. So conclusion is, here pros, minimal debt, dividend increasing. Year-on-year results are excellent. So cons are overvalued based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 12, current PE is 26. So risk is price increases from 420 rupees to 2,500 rupees 1 year. If the market corrects, this stock also will correct in the future. So we need to remember that point. Due to price increase from 420 rupees to 2,500 rupees. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.